to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make a Discord server. I am here with my cousin. If you don't understand anything in the video, go out and check his channel because he also made a video about the same thing. And if you understand it, still go and watch his videos because he makes awesome videos. So first, you are going to come over here to the left side of your screen. And at the bottom of the servers, there's a plus icon called Add a Server. Left click on that and press Create a Server. Name it whatever you want. I will just name it Tutorial. Create it. And invite anybody you want. I'll invite my cousin. And you can, if you want, you can press the copy, and then it will copy and you can send it to anybody. And now
Put on your screenshot.
And now we are going to make a channel inside the voice channels. In the left you can see this voice channels category. These are categories. Click on the plus icon next to it and create a voice channel, and I will name it Game Chat 1 and create it. So now we can join into the Game Chat 1. We are not going to join because then the call will end, but you can join if you want. Then you are going to click on the tutorial. Well, for me it's a tutorial. The name of the server at the top, and press create category. And we'll create the category called Game Chat. And I will just drag and drop it to the Game Chat from the voice channels. And I will make another game chat by just pressing the plus button next to it, naming it Game Chat 2, not Game Cat, Game Chat. And I will also make a looking to play. Oh, that's text channel. Okay, and now create channel. Okay, and I will make another category called music. Create the category and create a music control. But let's say I spelled it wrong. I pressed control. I wrote it like that as an accident. And now I want to change it because this doesn't look good. So click on this option, edit channel bar, and I can rename it to music control. Save changes, press escape or just click on it. And I will also make a voice channel called Music Lounge. This is where you can listen to the music, and later I will show you how to add the music bot to Discord. And if you want another bot called Me6, it's like an automation bot, check my cousin's video. I'll link it in the description, also his channel, and he will explain how to get that one, how to use it. And now we are going to make another category called welcome, and inside the welcome I'll drag this up to the top, add a text channel, and I will name it welcome, and I will make another one called rules. And inside the welcome, I'll say welcome user, please check out our rules before entering the server. Okay, and inside the rules you can write any rules. I'll just write no spamming. What else? You can basically write anything here you want. Okay, and now I will show you how to add a roles. So yeah, go to servers, click on the tutorial just where we created category, and select server settings, and here you can find roles. Click on the roles, and here next to there's a plus icon. Click on the plus icon, name it whatever you want. I will name it owner. I'll just make it green, and because you're the owner you should select all of them, but if you press administrator it becomes an administrator, and it's easier to, it's easier than pressing all of them at the same time. Okay, make a new rule, name it admin. I'll make it British, and also add the administrator, and I will also add a members and display roles separately, mention, but not an administrator, and I will make them yellow. Oh wait, and I will add another one called bots. We'll make that blue. Allow anyone, but it's not an administrator. And save. Okay, now you have the roles, and I can just click on myself and add a role. I am the owner, and click on my cousin, add a role, and he will be an admin. And now that we have roles, we can create another category. Name it server. Wait, what? Actually, about server talk. Actually, no. Admin talk. Create category. And now we can just press create voice. But before we write the name, we can select private channel, and then we select who can join and who cannot. We'll select admins and owners, and admin talk, create channel, and make another one called owner talk as a voice channel, and allow only the owners to join. Okay, and now we will also add the rhythm bot so we can have music. Go to rhythmbot.co, or just go to the description below and it will be there. Press add to Discord. You have to sign in first, but I already am signed in. Then go to the server you want it on. Continue. For bots you can select administrator, but I don't think that rhythm needs to be an administrator, so I'll just uncheck that. Authorize. I am not a robot.
If you don't understand what the text says, it's just because
basically
it's Hungarian.
I am not a robot.
If you don't understand what it says, it's just because he
have it on Hungarian.
changed it to Hungarian. Yeah.
Now go to features and commands. Scroll down, and here are the commands for it. And select all of them.
Did you make a rules tab?
Yes, I did. Control C. Go back.
I will add
go
rules
to
into
music control and paste it over there. and also go to more and pin message so anybody can see it quickly.
We will also leave this channel. We will leave this server in the description.
Yes,
so in
we
case
will.
you guys want to copy any of the things we put in here, you'll be free to do so.
Yes, and you can also join our private channels if you want. We'll leave them also in the description. Okay, so now we can see here the rhythm bot is on our server. And now if we go to music controls, I'll just write exclamation mark summon. But I'm not in the voice channel. So with my cousin, let's go to the music lounge. Okay.
Join.
Right slash summon. And now rhythm bot is on the music lounge. And I'll just get a non-copyrighted music because I don't want to get sued. I should just demonetize, but
Oh god, that's actually a thing. I just searched up play Dida and it just searched up DD News Live 247.
okay. And now, wait, what are you doing? Okay,
what the
and
hell?
okay, and it's now playing.
Okay, I don't know what
stop
that was.
This is just the music, I don't know. Okay, yep, and just disconnect it. And yeah.
It was playing news. I just typed in exclamation mark play and they just put 2 D's and it said playing DD News Live 247 now. I just started playing some kind of news thing.
And I think we are done. If you have any questions, just write it in the comments and I will answer it. And also, please go and check out my cousin's channel. He makes really good videos. Bye.
I make videos about Roblox.
Bye.